Yes, I have a convex lens and I'm saying there is an object tall 2 centimeters. So height of the object 2 centimeters given. So object is 2 centimeters tall, right? Placed perpendicular to the principal axis of the convex lens of the focal length of 10 centimeters. So focal length 10 centimeters. The distance of the object from the lens is 15 centimeters. So this object is 15 centimeters away. So u value 15 centimeters, distance of the object already given, right? So minus 15. Then focal length, how much is focal length? 10
10.
centimeters already given, right? Then they're asking us to find out the position, find out the nature, and find out the size, right? And magnification value of image. So first we need to find distance of the image. So we know the formula, 1 by u v, yes, minus 1 by u is equal to 1 by f. Boys, note it down carefully. So I want 1 by v value. 1 by v is equal to, I can write 1 by u plus 1 by f, or 1 by f plus 1 by u. Either way is same. So 1 by u value is minus 15. Yes. Plus 1 by f value is 10. So after doing little math, what I'll get? See, cross multiplication and all. How much I'll get? 2 minus 2 plus 3 by 30. Right, boys? So answer is 1 by 30. So V value I'll get 30 centimeters. Right? So this time I got V value 30. It's positive. So the positive sign of V value, what does it shows? It shows that image is formed at a distance of 30 centimeters on the other side of the lens. So at 30 centimeters, right, on the other side of the lens, image is formed. So V distance will be 30 on other sides. Right? Then the image is this time what? 30 centimeters
Erect.
away. Yes, boys? Image is erect or inverted?
Inverted.
Yeah. Image is inverted and real. Real and inverted image got. Inverted, right? So V value I got 30 centimeters. Now what should I do? What's the next calculation? Yes, boys? I need
Height of the
magnification.
image.
Yeah. So let's first find magnification. Magnification, height of image by the height of object. Or we can write V by U. So I have height of object already given 2 centimeters, right? So what I want? Height of what? Image, right?
Image.
Object given. So V into H by U. So what is V value? 30 centimeters, right? Into H value 2 centimeters by minus 15 centimeters, right? So how much you got? Minus 4
Minus 4.
centimeters. What is this? Height of
Image.
image. Yes. So height of image, I got minus 4 centimeters. Now what's remaining? I need to calculate the magnification values, right? So magnification is equal to V by U. So V value is plus 30. U value is minus 15. So I got minus 2. See, without calculating this one also, I can say the magnification, because height of image minus 4 I got. Height of object 2. So minus 4 by 2 minus 2. Yes, boys? So without substituting this V by H also, I can simply say the magnification value is minus 2. Yes or no? So negative sign of magnification value and negative sign of H shows that image is inverted and real, and it is 4 centimeters tall image, right? And at a distance of 30 centimeters on other side of the lens. Okay, boys? Right? So simple. So we have already given here these things, and we have calculated M value. We have set the position, nature, size, and magnification. Size, we are saying 2 times bigger. Okay, magnification value -2 we got. Nature, real and inverted. Position -30 centimeters. Sorry, plus 30 centimeters on the other side of lens, right? All answers we got. Yes, boys.